Hello there. It's Francis, the page administrator of the Sydney Papat TAE solutions team. We just like to to follow up a previous correspondence with you, and just like to see if you are interested in building a partnership with our undertaking, please. Hello? Is this the page owner of Australia's page, please? Hello? Are you sure about that? We received your messages on WhatsApp, and 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 you responded to our messages. Are you sure that you are not interested in hearing more about our businesses? Really? All right then. Shall we give you a call back at another time to talk about other sorts of projects that you might be interested? Really? Um, are you interested in childcare related products and services? Then can you please tell us more about your page, your business? We like to know more, and we might even be able to purchase some products and services from you to for trials use, and see what we can do to help promote your business, your online presence. Hello. Well, the website, we are still in fact building the website, but our current focus is Facebook page marketing and Facebook groups marketing. Yeah, and we are sure that you have dedicated a lot of hard work to Facebook page too. So we can see some crossings, some overlaps between your business and ours. Um, isn't that true? Yes, we are. Like we previously said, we run a bunch of online entrepreneurial undertakings, including but are not limited to childcare related products and services, and some other digital marketing platforms. Not just Facebook, but sometimes also on Patreon, on OnlyFans, on those sort of pages, where subscribers can purchase a certain period of subscriptions to their to the to the to the creators they are fond of, and that some in a certain way it can generate some sort of semi-passive income, so long as you take some time to update your contents on your page on a regular um, basis. Yeah. Have you thought about that? Yeah. Oh, really? Do you mind if we ask you more questions about your page? Oh my god. Okay, let's. So this guy said no. He sounds highly Aussie, if you ask me.